RAM, Random Access Memory, Beginner Level Introduction. RAM, Random Access Memory, is a type of computer memory used to store data temporarily while a computer is running. It plays a crucial role in making your computer fast and responsive. Whenever you open an application, browse the internet, play a game, RAM is actively being used. Unlike storage, SSD, HDD, RAM is temporary, volatile, meaning data is lost when the computer is turned off. This topic helps beginners understand how memory works, why RAM is important, how it affects performance, how programs use memory. What is RAM? RAM, Random Access Memory, is the computer's short-term memory used to store data that is actively being used. In simple words, RAM equals temporary workspace for running programs. A beginner view includes stores currently running programs, holds active data, provides fast access to CPU, clears data when power is off. Why RAM is important. RAM directly affects system speed and performance. It helps in check running multiple applications, check faster program execution, check smooth multitasking, check reducing load time, check supporting large applications. If RAM is low, system becomes slow. Applications may crash. Multitasking becomes difficult. RAM overview, feature description, type, temporary memory, speed, very fast, volatility, data lost when power is off, usage, active programs and data, RAM structure. RAM is made of memory chips organized in modules. Key characteristics: direct access to any memory location, high-speed data transfer, connected to motherboard. Example of RAM representation: RAM equals size 16 gigabytes, type DDR4, speed 3200 megahertz. How RAM works. Step 1. Load program into RAM. When you open a program, it is loaded into RAM. Program equals browser. Step 2. CPU accesses data. CPU reads data from RAM quickly. Data equals program. Step 3. Processing happens. CPU processes the data. Result equals data.upper. Step 4. Output. Processed data is displayed. Print. Result. RAM versus storage. Feature. RAM storage. SSD, HDD. Speed. Very fast. Slower than RAM. Data. Temporary. Permanent. Volatility. Volatile. Non-volatile. Usage. Running programs, saving files. Simple RAM. Example. Data 1, 2, 3, 4. Hash. Stored temporarily in RAM. Print. Processing data. Data. Multitasking. Example. RAM allows multiple programs to run at once. Apps equals browser, music player, editor. For app in apps, print, running, app. What happens when RAM is full? If RAM is full, system slows down, uses virtual memory, disk, performance drops. Example. RAM limit equals 3, running apps equals 5. If running apps, RAM limit. Print, system slowing down, virtual memory concept. When RAM is insufficient, the system uses disk space as backup. RAM available equals false. If not RAM available, print, using virtual memory, slow. Common types: DDR3, DDR4, DDR5. Each new generation is COC, faster, more efficient. RAM in action. Simple example. Numbers equals 10, 20, 30. Sum numbers equals sum numbers. Print, sum numbers. RAM holds the list during execution. Full menu-based RAM simulation. Python. Def load program. Return input. Enter program name. Def process program. Program. Return program.upper. Def show output. Print output. Result. While true. Print N1 load program. Print N2 process program. Print N3 show output. Print N4 exit. Choice equals input. Enter choice. If choice equals 1, Program equals load program. elif choice equals 2. Result equals process program. Program. elif choice equals 3. Show output result. elif choice equals 4. Break. Else, print invalid choice. Concepts learned from RAM. C. Temporary versus permanent memory. Role of RAM in performance. Multitasking and memory usage. RAM versus storage difference. Virtual memory concept. Real-life analogy. RAM is like a work desk. Files you are currently using means on-desk RAM. Files stored in cabinet means storage. More desk space equals better productivity. Ways to improve RAM knowledge. Upgrade RAM in your system. Monitor RAM usage. Task Manager. Learn about memory allocation. Study memory hierarchy. Cache, RAM, storage. Explore performance tuning. Common mistakes beginners make. Exac, confusing RAM with storage. Exac, thinking more RAM always solves everything. Exac, ignoring RAM speed. Exac, not understanding volatility. Exac, running too many programs. Where RAM is used. RAM is used in computers and laptops, smartphones, servers, gaming consoles, embedded systems, cloud computing systems. RAM, random access memory, a temporary memory used by a computer to store data and programs that are currently in use. Final summary. RAM is essential for fast and smooth computing. It enables quick data access, efficient multitasking, faster program execution, better system performance. Understanding RAM helps you optimize system speed and efficiency.